Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how you would jumpstart your vehicle. So first you will open the hood, and then on the passenger side you should see this cover for positive connection, and then this would be where your negative neutral is connected. So with your jump box or with your jumper cables leading to another car, you'd plug the metal clamp directly onto this metal for the positive side, and then for the negative neutral you'd connect right to this. And then make sure, if you're connected to another car, that your positive leads directly to the positive on the other car and your negative directly to the negative. You don't want to crisscross these, because even just a few seconds of it backwards could cause the damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But hopefully after a few minutes of that running and connected, it's got your vehicle started. It might take a little bit to recharge your car. And if that's not all working, you can check the actual battery in this car, which this is locked, so I can't get in it, but if you go underneath, right behind this passenger seat, it's going to be underneath the floorboard right here, just behind the passenger seat. And then there, if you check that battery, hopefully it's just something like a loose terminal that needs reconnected, or maybe some corrosion cleaned up. But just sort of search for a guide online of how to replace those batteries. It just takes a couple fitting tools, nothing that you can't do yourself. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.